Improve English speaking skills for corporate professionals. In today's global business world, English has become the most important language for communication. Whether you work in a multinational company, attend meetings with international clients, or collaborate with colleagues from different countries, strong English speaking skills can make a huge difference in your professional success. Many talented professionals struggle not because they lack knowledge, but because they feel nervous or unsure when speaking English in a corporate environment. The good news is that improving your English speaking skills is completely possible with the right strategies and consistent practice. Let's explore some powerful methods that can help corporate professionals become confident English speakers. 1. Build a strong vocabulary for business communication. One of the most important steps in improving corporate English is building a professional vocabulary. Everyday English is different from workplace communication. In corporate settings, people often use words related to meetings, presentations, negotiations, deadlines, strategies, and performance. For example, instead of saying, "Let's talk about this later," professionals often say, "Let's discuss this in our next meeting." Similarly, phrases like follow up, touch base, align on strategy, and meet the deadline are commonly used in offices. Try to learn at least 5 new business-related words every day. Write them down and practice using them in sentences. Over time, your vocabulary will grow naturally. 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is a skill that improves only through practice. Many professionals read English well, but hesitate when they need to speak. A simple solution is daily speaking practice. You can talk to yourself, record your voice, or practice with a friend or colleague. Even speaking for 10 minutes a day can significantly improve your fluency. For example, you can practice explaining your daily tasks, describing a project, or summarizing a meeting in English. This type of practice prepares you for real corporate situations. 3. Learn common corporate phrases. Corporate communication often includes specific phrases that make conversations sound more professional. Some useful examples include, "Let's move forward with this idea." "I would like to share my thoughts." "Could you clarify that point?" "Let's review the results." "Thank you for your valuable input." Using such phrases helps you sound more confident and professional during meetings and presentations. 4. Improve your listening skills. Listening is just as important as speaking. When you understand how native speakers communicate, you naturally improve your own speaking style. You can improve listening skills by watching English business interviews, corporate presentations, podcasts, or professional talks. Platforms like YouTube offer thousands of videos from successful business leaders. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and the way they structure sentences. Try repeating some of their sentences to practice speaking naturally. 5. Think in English instead of translating. One of the biggest challenges for many learners is translating sentences from their native language into English before speaking. This slows down communication and causes hesitation. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts such as describing what you are doing or planning your day in English. For example, "I need to finish this report." "I will attend a meeting at 3 p.m. "I should email the client today." This habit gradually improves fluency and reduces hesitation. 6. Participate actively in meetings. Many professionals remain silent in meetings because they are afraid of making mistakes. However, speaking in meetings is one of the best ways to improve corporate English. Start with small contributions. You can ask a question, share a short opinion, or summarize a point. Over time, your confidence will grow and speaking will feel more natural. Remember, communication is about expressing ideas clearly, not about speaking perfect English. 7. Work on pronunciation and confidence. Clear pronunciation makes communication easier. You do not need to sound like a native speaker, but your words should be understandable. You can improve pronunciation by listening carefully to native speakers and repeating their sentences. Recording your voice and comparing it with original audio can also help identify areas for improvement. Confidence also plays a huge role. When you speak confidently, people focus more on your ideas than on small language mistakes. 8. Practice presentations in English. Presentations are common in corporate environments. Practicing presentations in English can greatly improve speaking skills. Choose a simple topic related to your work and prepare a short presentation. Practice explaining it clearly and confidently. You can also record your presentation and review it later. This helps you notice areas where you can improve. Conclusion: improving English speaking skills for corporate environments is not something that happens overnight. It requires patience, practice, and consistency. However, with daily effort, anyone can become a confident English speaker. Focus on building professional vocabulary, practicing daily speaking, learning corporate phrases, improving listening skills, and participating actively in conversations. Over time, these habits will transform your communication abilities. Strong English communication skills not only help you express your ideas clearly but also open the door to better career opportunities, leadership roles, and global connections. Remember, the key to success is simple: practice every day, stay confident, and never stop learning.